Hi friends, welcome to our channel, and in this video, I will show you and tell you how you can very easily disable autoplay video in Twitter or X application. Friends, please subscribe to our channel. Also write comments after watching the video and be sure to put your likes. So let's get to our topic. Please open application X. And first of all, I want to tell you what autoplay video is. It's when you flip through the app's feed. And for example, here's a video, it starts playing itself. If you want to avoid that, then you have to go to the Twitter app. In the top left-hand corner, click on your profile picture. Then go to Settings and Support. Then Privacy Settings. Here, scroll down and select this feature. Next, you'll need to select the data used. And here you can easily find the autoplay video option. As you can see, the default option here is to autoplay videos, either through Wi-Fi or through mobile data. You can enable it only via Wi-Fi so that you don't have to use your mobile data. Or you can turn it off completely. This is the very simple way, friends. You can easily and quickly disable video autoplay in X app or Twitter. I hope you found this video helpful and useful. Please give your likes, comments, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon.